Mini gaming PCs offer a blend of compactness, power, and versatility, making them ideal for space-conscious gamers, travelers, and fans of sleek designs. With options ranging from budget-friendly to high-end models, mini gaming PCs cater to a wide range of preferences and needs, each boasting unique features and capabilities. They are the perfect solution for those seeking a powerful gaming experience in a compact form. So in this video, we've got recommendation for the top 5 best mini gaming PCs you can buy in 2024. For more information, the products, we've included links in the description box down below. Let's get started. Beelink SER7 Pro Mini PC. The Beelink SER7 Gaming Mini PC is an excellent budget-friendly option for both productivity and gaming. Equipped with the powerful AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor, which has 8 cores and 16 threads with speeds up to 5.1 GHz, this mini PC turns your desk into a high-performance workstation. It is suitable for various tasks, including video and photo editing, office work, 4K video streaming, high-end gaming, and virtualization. Setting up the SER7 Pro is easy due to its compact size and rich array of interfaces, including multiple USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, Type-C, and Ethernet options. The device also features advanced vapor chamber technology for efficient heat dissipation and a magnetic power supply for convenient power management. The AMD Radeon 780M graphics with 12 cores at 2700 MHz ensures smooth internet browsing, UHD video playback, and gaming. With 32 GB of dual-channel DDR5 RAM expandable to 64 GB and a 1 TB of SSD storage expandable to 4 TB, it offers ample speed and storage. Overall, the Beelink SER7 Pro is a high-performing, well-priced mini PC that excels in daily tasks and gaming, making it a worthy consideration for those seeking a compact yet powerful gaming solution. Intel Note 12 Enthusiast Mini PC. The Intel Note 12 Enthusiast Mini Gaming PC, known as the Serpent Canyon, expertly balances performance and affordability. Powered by the Intel Core i7-12700H processor and running Windows 11, it ensures smooth and responsive gaming and computing. Equipped with an Intel Arc A770M graphics card featuring 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, it supports ray tracing and DirectX 12 Ultimate for stunning visuals and realistic lighting effects. The Serpent Canyon offers substantial storage with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1 TB of SSD storage, plus the option to add 2 more M2 SSDs. Intel provides a 3-year warranty on the barebone unit, while Neptune covers the OS, RAM, and SSD for 3 years, ensuring reliable support and service. To keep things cool, there's an innovative cooling design featuring a dual-fan air intake and 5 heat pipes, which carry heat away from the GPU. Overall, the Intel Note 12 Enthusiast Mini Gaming PC Serpent Canyon is a compact yet powerful device that offers top-tier performance, impressive graphics, ample storage, and extensive connectivity, all in a sleek, customizable package, perfect for elevating your gaming experience. Acemagic Tank 03. The Acemagic Tank 03 is a slightly larger mini PC designed for high performance and versatility. Despite its premium price and plastic exterior, it boasts robust build quality, exceptional processing power, and unique features, making it an ideal choice for performance-focused users. Also, its 12th generation Intel Core i7-12700H processor with 14 cores and 20 threads delivers a 20% performance boost over predecessors, making it suitable for gaming, 3D rendering, and intensive tasks with speeds up to 4.7 GHz. In addition, customizable RGB lighting offers modes like Auto, On, Breath, Rainbow, and Cycle, creating an immersive gaming atmosphere. The Tank 03 features 16 GB of RAM, expandable up to 64 GB, and a 1 TB PCIe M2 SSD with dual M2 slots supporting up to 4 TB and an additional SD card slot for extra storage. Overall, the Acemagic Tank 03 is a versatile powerhouse, perfect for gaming, creative, and professional tasks. GEEKOM Mini PC AS6. performance, the AS6 is one of the fastest mini PCs available today. It supports up to 4 4K screens, 8K resolution, and extensive connectivity options, making it an excellent choice for productivity activities. Fueled by the AMD Ryzen 7 7735H processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, it effortlessly handles demanding tasks from gaming to business applications. The 6nm Zen 3 Plus architecture ensures a significant performance upgrade, complemented by the AMD Radeon 680M GPU for stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. In addition, with 32GB of lightning-fast DDR5 RAM and a 1TB of SSD storage, expandable to 2TB, multitasking and data processing are seamless. Say farewell to connectivity woes with Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet for fast, stable internet, while Bluetooth 5.2 facilitates quick pairing with wireless devices. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro and backed by the Miasis Enhanced software suite, it offers enhanced features like noise cancellation and smart fan control. Overall, the GEEKOM Mini PC AS6 is a compact powerhouse, ideal for gaming, professional tasks, or daily use, delivering exceptional performance and adaptability without compromise. Minisforum Neptune HX99G. The HX99G is a powerhouse. This AMD-powered micro PC packs a lot of performance into a little package, making it great for 1080-pixel gaming, especially if you don't want your gaming PC to take up too much room. It features the AMD Ryzen 96900HX processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, operating at a base clock of 3.3 GHz and boosting up to 4.9 GHz. Built on 6nm technology and Zen 3 Plus architecture, this mini PC ensures blazing fast speeds and excellent power efficiency. Furthermore, the HX99G offers 64GB of RAM and a 1TB of PCIe 4.0 SSD, as well as an extra storage slot offering smooth multitasking and plenty of storage space. A standout feature is the AMD Radeon RX 6600M GPU with 1,792 cores and 8GB of GDDR6 memory, providing performance comparable to the GeForce RTX 3060 for seamless 1080-pixel gaming. Connectivity is robust with dual USB 4 ports supporting up to 8K at 60Hz display and 40GB per second transfer speeds, as well as powering a 15-watt portable touch display. The sophisticated cooling system includes dual fans, 7 heat pipes, 3 for the CPU and 4 for the GPU, liquid metal thermal compound, and dual air outlets. This setup ensures efficient heat dissipation, minimal noise, and sustained high performance under heavy load. Overall, the Neptune HX99G is a versatile mini PC offering exceptional performance, gaming capabilities, extensive connectivity, and effective cooling in a compact form factor, ideal for users needing power and efficiency in a small device.